In this video, we're going to show you how you can post a video on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more Instagram tutorials. Whether you've recorded a new video or already have one edited, here's how you can upload it. Begin by tapping the plus icon in the bottom once you open up the Instagram app. Go ahead and select Reel, which is how Instagram labels video post. Either go ahead and record your video or simply choose the video that you've already recorded. I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here, and then I'm going to tap next in the bottom right. From here, just simply go ahead and tap next again, and it's going to bring you to this final screen. You just need to add your caption here, adjust the rest of your settings, and when you're ready, simply go ahead and hit share in the bottom right corner. It really is as simple as that. Your video is now live on Instagram. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe.